The Auto Import tool assists the engineer in selecting the file format that was output from your CAD package. With over 10,000 customer installations and over 500 different CAD packages, we successfully import any Gerber and Excellon data files. The Auto Import tool sorts this out for you. First, select File, Import, and Auto Detect File. The software will detect if the file format is Gerber, Drill, DXF, CWK, ISOPRO, ASCII, or our original QuickCam file type. Select the file names to import. In this example, we will import 274x, 274x.gbr, and 274x.ncd files. Select Open. Note, the software doesn't know if your file format for your board is in metric or English units, so select the dimensions that best represents the size of your board. By default, the Save Settings as Default has been selected, so next time you auto-import, the software will default to this setting. The files will be displayed. Remember to save your work. It's just that simple.